Hey everybody, if the hood on your car does not stay open anymore, here's how to change the lift supports. And this is a 10-year-old car now, and I was getting tired of holding my hood open with a stick whenever I needed to do anything. So I went on to rockauto.com and I found a pair of gas charge lift supports for a little under 17 bucks. And I already replaced that one over there, which is why the hood is staying open. And I will show you on this side how to change it, and it's actually pretty easy. So I have gone ahead and supported the hood with a stick so this thing doesn't fall on my head when I take it apart. There's a couple different kinds of connectors, but this one is pretty easy, and all you need to undo it is a flat blade screwdriver. So you can stick it in here and release this retaining clip, okay? Once you've got that loosened, all you have to do is just pull it off. And when the clip is engaged, you can see it would kind of grab onto the back side of the ball here, which is what keeps it from coming apart. Okay, now go ahead and do that on both sides to remove the old lifter. Now you don't have to do this, but this is kind of for extra credit. You can go ahead and wipe down the ball and apply something like white lithium grease to it like that before you install the new lift support, okay? And then all you have to do to install it is just shove it on and make sure the clip is engaged and give it a good shake there. Okay, and there you go. That's all there is to it. And I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.